So in this lecture, we're going to just pinpoint the top 3 areas that you want to change. Now this is really for you to look at the taking stock exercise, thinking about what you really want out of your life, and also where you want to see yourself in 20 years time, or where you do see yourself in 20 years time. There's a downloadable worksheet for you to fill in at the top right of this lecture, and also you can jot your notes down under the notes tab, or if you've got your own notepad, then feel free to just have a little think about what are your top 3 areas to change. Now the reason why I stick with 3 areas to change is that any more than 3 can be quite overwhelming, and you make it a little bit of a mountain to climb, whereas just 3 areas to concentrate on means that you can actually make a difference and work your way through the 3 areas and actually make an impact on your life and make changes to your life that are going to impact on your future as well. So just concentrating really on the top 3 areas to change and concentrate on. I look forward to seeing you in the next lecture. Thank you for listening.